Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The beauty of a woman's hair is something that always concerns her. There are many different fashions and hairstyles, and too often an abundance of chemicals are present in hair products used by women. These chemicals damage to the tips of the hair. Because of this, it's best to use natural recipes to moisturize the hair and also to straighten the tips. There are several natural hair straightening options that use simple, non-stringent ingredients to maintain healthy hair. Let's learn how to make your hair smooth and straight with natural ingredients that, in addition to the straightening effect, will also help maintain healthy, hydrated hair. Here's how to make hair straight with simple ingredients and recipes. 1. Egg and olive oil mask. Fold 2 eggs into 1 tablespoon of olive oil, making a smooth mixture. Apply the mixture to the hair and leave it for 1 hour or until the product dries. Then rinse. Apply the product twice a week to have a natural straightening effect. 2. Banana and milk mask. Mix 2 ripe bananas and 1/2 glass of milk until it forms a creamy mixture. To start the natural straightening treatment, apply the cream to wet hair and leave it for 30 minutes before rinsing. Repeat the process 3 times a week. 3. Coconut and cornstarch mask. Beat fresh coconut with 1 tablespoon of oats and 1/2 cup of milk in a blender until smooth. Strain to remove the remaining coconut and oatmeal pieces. Then boil the mixture with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch diluted in water. When the mixture reaches a creamy consistency, remove from the heat and let stand. To make the natural straightener, apply the cream to the hair and cover your head with a cap, leaving the mixture for 25 minutes. Rinse normally at the end of the application. 4. Yogurt and egg mask. Beat 1 egg white evenly, add 1/2 cup of yogurt and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Apply the mixture to your wet hair and cover, leaving it for 30 minutes. Finally, rinse with cold water. 5. Beer. To make a natural straightener with beer, simply boil a can of beer over medium heat until the alcohol is eliminated from the liquid. Let it cool and place the solution in a shampoo of your choice and apply it to the hair. These natural straightening recipes usually give excellent results as long as they are used regularly. In addition, they won't damage your hair like harmful chemicals do. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.